Hello friends, today we're going to solve the old question papers of Meghalaya TET Series C. So I have just taken the questions from mathematics parts. So first we will solve that mathematics parts and then we'll solve some other questions. Okay. So today's first question is 61 number questions and they have the questions like this way. The product of two numbers is 105, 105. Okay. If one number is -7 and the other number is what they have given four option: 15, -15, 17, -17 and 17. Okay, they have given four options. Out of these four options, which one is the correct options? Okay, so they have given one numbers. The first number is -7, the other number is I have to calculate. So let the other number be x. I have just taken, okay, I have just supposed that other number be x. Okay, and then the numbers, okay, one number is given, so the other number into that numbers, okay, that two numbers, this one number, this one numbers, but this one is given equal to 105 because they have said the product of two number is 105. Product means multiplications. Okay, so the product of two number is 105, then x into 7 minus 7x is equal to 105, x is equal to minus 105 divided by 7 because these numbers multiply by x. So when it goes to that side, then it will be divides. Okay, so what happens, we'll got -15. So if we're gonna prove that two numbers, the product of two numbers is, if we just prove, then we'll find 105. That means it is correct. So -15 is the right answer for these questions. Okay, -15 is the right answer for these questions. The product of two numbers is 105. The product of two number is 105. If one number is -7, the other number is -15. So -15 is the right answer for these questions. Okay, so next question. Question number 62. So they have given in question number 62, which of the following pairs of numbers are coprimes. So they have given four pairs of numbers, and we have to find the which pair satisfy the coprime property. Okay, and we have to say which of the following numbers are coprimes. We have to find out from the pairs. Okay, four pairs, which pairs is the coprimes. Okay, so in order to find out that the numbers, we have to first uh, find out their factors. Okay, so if their factors, okay, highest common factor is CF, highest common factors is 1. Okay, then the numbers, then the pairs are coprime. Okay, you have to remember this thing. Okay, coprimes, two numbers. Okay, two numbers are coprimes when their highest common factors or common factor is 1. Okay, in order to understand the highest common factors, I'll just explain now to you that what is the highest common factors. So highest common factors, suppose if we just consider this one. Okay, the first one. So we know 13s and 39s are that prime numbers, so this must be coprimes, right? No, because their highest common factor is 13. Okay, highest common factors, these are the factors. Factor of 13 are 1 and 13. Factor of 39 are 1, 3, 13s and 39s. Factor means the numbers which can divided by that numbers. Okay, we can divide it by 39 by 13 and 39 by 3, 39 by 39, 39 by 1. Okay, so these are the factors. The coprimes numbers have highest common factor is 1. So highest common factors, if you just see here, the highest common factor is 13s. Okay, highest common factors in both the numbers. Okay, 13. So here if we check, the highest common factor is there is 1. Okay, it satisfied the coprime, the property. Okay, and here if we just find highest common factor is 2. 1 is also the common factors, but it is lost. 54 and 27, if we just find 9. Okay, 3 is also but this one is the lowest common. Okay, and 1 is also. So the highest common factor should be 1s, so it is just only satisfied with 52 and 81. So the answer should be this one, option A. Option A is the right answer for these questions. The set of numbers, these two numbers satisfy the co-prime. These are the co-prime numbers, okay, because their highest common factor is 1. Okay, so next question. Question number 63. So they have given in question number 63 the LCM of 36, 24 and 48 is option A 102, option B 144, option C 114 and option D 141. So first in order to solve these questions, okay, we have to understand what is LCMs. So if we just say LCM, L means least, C means common and M for multiples. So if we just say what is the multiples of 2, so multiples of 2, that means 2 into 1 2, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 4 8, like this go on, no? Okay, so in order to find out the multiples, okay, common multiples between these three numbers 36, 24 and 48, we have to what we have to do, we have to just write down the multiples. Okay, this is the one methods and this one is the another methods. Okay, I'll just explain first these methods, okay, and then after that we'll explain the division method next. Okay, so we just have to write down the multiples in these methods. 36 into 1 36, 36 into 2 72, just go on. Okay, and then say you just write the multiples. Okay, and 24 48 72 96 120 144 168. Okay, so we wrote down these multiples of 48. Okay, multiples of 48 is this number 48 96 144. So out of these, okay, in all the multiples, okay, these are the multiples of these three numbers. All the multiples we have to find out the common one. Okay, common present in all the three numbers and must be least number. Okay, least numbers, these are the multiples, so it should be commons and least. So if we just see this in these three numbers, 144 present in all the numbers and it is the least numbers. Okay, if we just go beyond these numbers, we'll find other numbers. Okay, but that is the highest. Okay, so and then we'll get again highest, and then we'll get again highest common numbers, okay, present in all the three numbers. If you just go on and go on, okay, but the least one is 144. So 144 is the LCM. Okay, multiples, this one is multiples, common, least. Okay, least, no, so least common multiples, so multiples should be least and common means present in all three numbers. Okay, so if you just see in these three numbers, we'll find 144 is the least common multiples of these three numbers. Okay, so 144 is the LCM of this number. Okay, these three numbers. So in the next formula, what we have to write in the division methods, just we have to write the numbers. Okay, and then we have to divide by the prime numbers. Okay, 2, we have divided 36 by 2, 36 by 2 18, 24 by 2 12, 48 by 2 14, 24. Okay, and then again we divided by 2, we get, if this number is not divided by 2, then you have to try by 3. Okay, and the last numbers we should have to get 1 1 1. Okay, if these two number 1 and 1. Okay, and then by 2 we'll get 9 divided by 12 divided by 2 6, and then 24 divided by 2 12, and then again we have to do 2 because this number we can divide it by 2. Okay, so these two numbers we can divide it by 2, 6 and 12. Okay, so we again divided by 2 because 9 cannot be divided by 2, so we just leave it this number here. Okay, so again we can divide it by 6 by 2 and we'll get 3, and 12 by 2 we'll get 6. Again what we can do, we can divide by these numbers by 2, so we'll just keep it like this, 9 3 6 divided by 2 we'll get 3. So we cannot divide by these three numbers by 2, so we'll try again by 3. So if we just divided by 3 these numbers. 9 divided by 3 will get 3, okay, and 3 divided by 3 will get 1. 3 divided by 3 will get 1. Again we can divide it by this number 3 by 3, so we'll get 1 1 1. So these left side numbers are the LCM. If you just multiply it, we'll get the LCM of these three numbers. So here what happens, because 2 okay, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, okay, and then 3 into 3. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3. So 2 into 2 4, okay, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, 16 into 3 48, 48 into 3 144. So in this way we can also find out the LCM. Okay, so LCM of these three numbers, okay, 36, 24 and 48 is 144. So then the answer of this question is 144 is the right answer of these questions. Okay, and one thing you can do, okay, you can do by these methods, okay, otherwise by this method. Which one is that which one is like is easy to you can apply these two methods, okay, anywhere. But you have to understand what is that multiples, right? Okay, so in the next questions, so I think they have given that HCF, so we can discuss the HCF also. Okay, so next question number 64. So in question number 64 they have given the HCF of three numbers, 13s, 91s and 117, 117. So okay, they have given four options. 1000, option A 1183, option B 117, option C 91 and option D 13s. So we have to answer these questions that the HCF of, okay, 13, 91 and 117. Okay, what is the HCF of these three numbers? So first we have to understand what is HCF. HCF means highest common factors. Highest common factors. And so we have to find out the factor of 13s. By which number we can divide 13s? 1 and 13s we can divide 13s. No other numbers by which we can divide 13s. So 1 and 13. So factor of 13 is 1 and 13. Okay, only 1 and 13 we can divide 13. Okay, factor of 91s, through these numbers, okay, we can divide 91s, 1 7 13 and 91. Okay, and factor of 117 is through these numbers, 1 3 9 13 39 and 117 we can divide 117. Okay, these are the factors of 117. Okay, so what they have said, given that HCF means highest common factors. So these are the factors, okay, of the three numbers of these three numbers. Okay, these are the factors of these three numbers. Okay, they have given the three numbers. These are the factors. Okay, so highest common, the number should be highest and it should be common in all the three numbers. Okay, highest common factors. So these are the factors. We have to find out the highest common presence in all the three numbers. Okay, just like in LCM. Okay, that one is the multiples. Okay, but here one is the factors. Okay, and that one is the least, but here one is the highest. So highest common, just leave it for that LCM. We have to discuss now about that HCF. Okay, that one is the highest common factors. So these are the factors, okay, factors of these three numbers. Highest common we have to find out. So if we just see one presence in all the three numbers, but it is the least one. Okay, least common. Okay, so this one is the least common factors. Okay, one is the least common factors of 13s, 91 and 117. But the highest common, if you see here, 13s, here also 13s, here also 13s. So 13 is the highest common factors of that three numbers. So 13 is the answers of these questions. Okay, highest common number is highest common factor is in all the three numbers is 13s. So 13 is the right answer for this question. Okay, if any kind of questions come, okay, just you have to understand. Okay, just wrote down like this way. Okay, or yes, you have to just, if the numbers they have given like these numbers. Okay, then you just have to write down like this way and then find out the highest common factors. Okay, so the answer for this question is, okay, 13 is the right answer for this question, that is option D. Okay, next question. Okay, so that question number 65 to 69. Okay, so these questions are said from teaching learning mathematics, that is the theory of mathematics. Okay, so I'll solve these questions in the next video. So because these questions are broad type questions, so I cannot write because I have to take the pictures of that questions. Okay, and then I have to make video and I'll explain there. Okay, so uh, we'll just solve 4 questions. So now I'll just solve for question number 70, and then we'll again start from 71 to 75. Okay, 76 to 80. Okay, like five questions in one video. Okay, so next question we'll solve question number 70. Question number 70. So in question number 70 they have given the difference between the place value and the face value of 8 in 5832 is option A 800, option B 795, option C 0, option D 792. So we have to understand what is the place value and the face value. So in order to understand the place value and the face value, okay, we have to understand first this one. Okay, this is the decimal point. Okay, and then after that what number will come, that is the 10th value. Okay, 10th digit. Okay, and then this one is 100, and then this one is the third one is the 1000th digit. Okay, so suppose if I write 112.132, so this one is the 10th digit, this one is the 100th digit, this one is the 1000th digit. Okay, and this is the ones digit, this one is tens, this one is 100. Okay, and then 1000, and then 10,000. Okay, understand this one. Okay, right, this one is 10th. 10th means 1 by 10th. Okay, just divide 1 by 10, you will get this one. Okay, whatever the number will come here, that one is the 10th digit. Okay, so this one is 10th, this one is 100th, this one is 1000. Okay, I just wrote the numbers, you can write in letters. Okay, 1000th digit. So this one is before decimal. Okay, this one is ones, this one is tens, this one is 100, this one is 1000. What is the place value of 8 in 5832? Okay, 5832. Okay, so we have to understand that what is place value and what is face value. So place value means the place where the digit exists. Okay, the place where the digit exists. Okay, if I just count, this one is 1, this one is 10. Okay, this one is hundreds. In 100, okay, this 8 is present in where? In 100 place. Okay, hundreds place. Okay, so that means the place value of 8 in 8, the place value of 8 in 5832 is 8 into 100. Okay, if I want to find out the place value of 5 means 5 into, just count, 1 2 3 4, 4 means 1000, 5 into 1000. Okay, if I count the place value of 3, that means 3 into 1 2 means 10 position, 3 into 10. Okay, whatever we'll get, that is the place value of that numbers. Okay, and the face value of 8 in this number. Okay, 5832, that means the digit itself. Okay, face value means where the face value of this one is 5832. Here the face value is 8, so the number itself is the face value. Okay, the number itself is the face value. So if I just say about what is the phase value of 3258, okay, 3258, what is the phase value of 2, okay, in 3258? That means phase value is 2 only. What is the plus value? 2 into 100, because this one is ones place, this one is tens, this one is 100, so 2 into 100, okay, we'll get place value 200 and the phase value 2. Okay, so this one is the very I mean, I have to say this one is the important questions. Okay, I'm sure it will comes one question from this part will comes in exam. Okay, so the place value, suppose I have given one numbers. Okay, this one is 4782. Okay, 4782, what is the place value of 7 in 4782? Place value, place value PV equal to 7 into 100 equal to 700, and the phase value LV equal to the digit itself 7. Okay, the place value and the phase value of 7 in these numbers, then this one is this is the answer. If they want difference, then 700 minus 7 is just divided 693. Okay, 693 is the answer of these questions. So now we have to calculate. We got the place value and phase value. Okay, so the difference will be, they want difference, the difference between the place value and the phase value of these numbers. Okay, we got the place value, okay, 800, and the phase value is 8. So we'll just make the difference of the two numbers. So difference is equal to 800 minus 8, we'll get 792. So 792, okay, 792. So 792 is the right answer for these questions. So it is present in option D. So option D is the right answer of these questions. So thanks for watching. In the next video we'll again meet. Okay, bye bye.